Hello, boys and girls. Are you ready for another session of Story Time with Grammy Cat? Well, today we are going to continue to read from Farmyard Tales with Usborne Books, and we have a story about a snowstorm. So let's see what's going on. Do you see the snowman and the little yellow duck and Rusty the dog? They're out in the cold and there's snow flying everywhere. So let's see how this story goes. Look, this is Apple Tree Farm. And this is Mrs. Boot. She's the farmer. She has 2 children called Poppy and Sam, and a dog named Rusty. And everywhere in the picture you should look for a little yellow ducky. Can you find the duck? Right here in the window, see? Nice and warm inside. It's a pretty house. It's beautiful and lots of snow. Well, in the night, there was a great big snowstorm. And in the morning, it was still snowing. You must wrap up warm, said Mrs. Boot to Poppy and Sam. Look, they're putting on their boots and mittens, scarves and hats, their big winter coats, because it's cold outside. It's a big snowstorm. And look, here's the farm animals. Do they look nice and warm in their shed? This is Ted. Ted works on the farm and he helps Mrs. Boot look after the animals. He gives them food and water every day. Come and help me, said Ted. Well, where are you going? Asked Poppy. I'm going to take this hay out to the sheep, said Ted. Poppy and Sam pulled the hay. See? It's sitting on their sled. They're pulling it in the snow. They all go out to the farmyard with Ted, and they walk to the gate of the sheep field. Where are the sheep? Said Sam. Ted said, they are all covered with snow. We'll have to find them, said Poppy. Oh, they found the sheep. They brushed all the snow off of them. Oh my. Ted, Poppy, and Sam each gave the sheep lots of hay. Well, look, they have nice warm coats to keep them warm in all of that cold, snowy weather. Poppy is counting the sheep. Can you count the sheep with Poppy? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are only 6 sheep. 1 is missing, said Poppy. It's that naughty Wooly, said Ted. So they're going to look for Wooly. They walk around the snowy field. Rusty, good dog, go find Wooly, said Sam. Rusty ran across the field. Ted, Poppy, and Sam ran after Rusty. Rusty stopped to bark at a thick hedge of bushes. Ted looked under the hedge. Can you see anything? Said Sam. Yes, Wooly is hiding in there. Clever Rusty, said Ted. Rusty helped them find Wooly. Wow, look at that. Big hedge of bushes. And there's Wooly. Can you see Wooly with his eyes peeking out? Come on out, Wooly. Let me help you out, old girl, said Ted. Carefully, he pulled Wooly out of the hedge. Wow. You think it was nice and warm in there? It probably was very warm and insulated from all the cold weather. Oh, wait, there's something else. Look, I can see something moving, said Sam. Well, what is it? Said Ted. Ted went inside. Oh, it's a tiny little lamb. It's a baby. Wooly has had a lamb, said Ted. We'll take it and Wooly to the barn, and they'll be nice and warm there. So Poppy got on the sled with the little lamb, and Ted pulled her home. She held the little lamb nice and close. What a wonderful surprise, said Poppy. Good old Wooly. And that's the end of that story. What a surprise baby lamb in a snowstorm. Thank you for joining me, boys and girls. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.